If this is your current situation, I got you. Let me show you how to fix it. All you will need is some strip lashes, your tweezer, and glue. This is the only glue I can use. I've not been able to use any other glue apart from this classic, and a pair of scissors, of course. So what am I trying to achieve? I'm trying to achieve maybe a balanced look. You can see this eye still has some lashes on it, and this one they are all gone. At least let's match it up a little. That's the goal. I think I'll go with this. I think this looks similar to this. This is what I will use. I like to clean my eyes before I start. I've already done this before now. So just get micellar water and a cotton pad and just wipe, make sure everywhere is clean. I've already done that before. I've used this strip lashes before, so I just cleaned off all the excess glue, and this is what we are going to be working with. Obviously it's going to be too long, so I'll have to just trim some out, and we have some volume here, so I'm just going to start from this part that is bald to the end. So maybe this length should be okay. Yeah, this should do. Yeah, it's looking good already. Yes. So let's apply glue generously, of course. So the glue is on. I'm just going to wait for it to dry. So when I'm doing this, I don't like it to be too tacky, so that I can move it around, because when it's too tacky, you just need to just put it on and it sticks. But because I already have a few lashes and just a little place to fill, I want to be able to move it around until I get it in the right position. So I'm not just going to leave it on too tacky. So I'll be able to have freedom to move it around. We are good. Now let's try and get it on. Oh, sorry. Okay. This one here is from the leftover lashes, so I'm just going to allow this to dry, the strip lashes to dry, then I will set it together so it's not like it's covering my eyes. Okay, so now the strip lashes are dry, so I'm just going to comb it in, make everything blend together, and I'll come back. So this is where we are right now. Everything is blended, combed together. My eyes are open, nothing is covering my eyes. The only problem now is this has more volume than this, but easy. I'm gonna fix it. So I'll just trim out just a little from this side, make sure it's not too long. I'll just trim out the back. I'll do it off at the back. So I finished trimming from these edges, so I think it's giving some cat eye look, right? No, I think so. Let's fix this side to match it. So I'm just going to work with a very small area here, just the edge here, just to give it this volume over here, and I think all this will be perfect, or this, something just light, just to give it that volume here. The length is okay, but just the volume. I think I'll go with this, right? Which would you have picked? Or maybe this, I don't know, but I think I'll go with this. I changed my mind. I'm going with this. Yes, let's do this. I think let's go with this. Let's go with that. I'll go with this. So let me just cut a very short piece. I'll attach it back. I'll use it again another day. There shall be no wastage. So just a very short. Oh shoot. I didn't want to do that, so let me just take this away. Okay. I don't know. It seems it buried it, so I don't know. Is it? I've already cut it, so I might as well just use it. It's ready, so let's put it on. It's on, so I'll just leave it to dry a little, then I'll blend everything in. And we're done. Look at that. Not so bad, right? But I like the sides. But yeah, everything is good. Yeah, so if you enjoy watching the video, don't forget to hit the buttons and follow. Thank you.